We are continuing with our chapter acid, bases and salts, and today our topic is pH. Now, what do you mean by pH? pH means potence in German. What does it mean? Potence means power. So, pH means power of what? Hydronium ion. Now, what do you mean by hydronium? In chemistry, there are two types of ions present in water. One of the ion is hydronium ion, H ions, or we can write like also this way, hydronium ions or H ions. And the another one ion present in water is hydroxyl ions, OH ions, hydroxyl ions. So there are two types of ions. One of the ions is H ions or hydronium ion, and the another one ion is OH ion, that means hydroxyl ions. So this is a pH scale. With the help of this pH scale, we can measure the acidic strength or basic strength of the solution. For example, if the solution is acidic in nature, its pH value is less than 7. For example, for acidic solutions, there are three types of solutions. For acidic solutions, pH value is less than 7. And for neutral solution, pH is equal to 7. And for basic solution, pH is greater than 7. pH is greater than 7. So, according to pH scale, there are three types of solution: acidic, neutral and basic. For acidic solution, pH is less than 7. For neutral solution, pH is equal to 7. And for basic solution, pH is greater than 7. Again, we categorize this pH scale into weakly acidic, strongly acidic, neutral, weakly basic and strongly basic. Those solutions whose pH lies between 0 to 3, they are strongly acidic. And in strongly acidic solution, H ion concentration, hydronium ion concentration is more. It means that in a solution, the concentration of hydronium ion is more, it means solution pH value is less. For strongly acidic solution whose pH lies between 0 to 3, the H ion concentration is more. And if the pH value lies between 4 to 7, it means the solution is weakly acidic. And if the pH value of the solution is 7, it means the solution is neutral. Our mineral water is neutral in nature because its pH value is equal to 7. What does it mean? In neutral solution, the concentration of H ions is always equal to the concentration of OH ions. And in acidic solution, this is for neutral. In acidic solution, H ion concentration is greater than OH ion concentration. And in basic solution, OH ion concentration is greater than H ion concentration. Right? So, those solutions whose pH value lies between 4 to 7, they are weakly acidic. Those solutions whose pH value is equal to 7, they are neutral. And those solutions whose pH value is from 8 to 11 or 8 to 10, they are weakly basic. and those solutions whose pH value lies between 11 to 14, they are strongly basic. So we are taking the example of these types of compounds. Gastric juices, pH value is 1.2, it means it is strongly acidic. Lemon juice, whose pH value is 2.2, this is again strongly acidic. Pure water, its pH value is equal to 7, it is neutral in nature. Milk of magnesium, whose pH value is 10, it is weakly basic. And sodium hydroxide solution, whose pH value is 14, it means that sodium hydroxide is strongly basic. So this is a pH scale. With the help of this pH scale, we can determine whether the solution is strongly acidic, weakly acidic, neutral, weakly basic, or strongly basic. So what is the importance of this pH scale? In our day-to-day life, our digestive system secretes dilute HCl, whose pH value lies between 3 to 4. When we eat food, our dilute HCl help in digestion process. It decomposes the food into simpler substances. Okay, so the pH value of dilute HCl lies between 3 to 4, which help in the digestion of food. For example, if we consider two solutions, one of the solution whose pH value is 6 and another solution whose pH value is 8, right? Out of these two solutions, which solution has more cation concentration? Out of these two solutions, which is acidic or basic? We have to determine. This is a common example. Okay. For example, one of the solution whose pH value is 6, another solution whose pH value is 8. Out of these two solutions, which solution has more cation concentration? Out of these two solutions, which is more acidic, which is acidic or which is basic? We have to find out. So the solution whose pH value is 6, it means that pH value is less than 7. pH value is less than 7, and those solutions whose pH value is less than 7, it means they are acidic. So solution A is acidic. Solution A is acidic, and solution B, whose pH value is greater than 7, it means it is basic. In acidic solution, HN concentration is more. So solution A has HN concentration is more, while solution B has OHN concentration more. So solution B is basic because its pH value is greater than 7, and solution A is acidic because its pH value is less than 7. So with the help of this pH scale, we can find out whether the solution is acidic, basic, or neutral. We can also find out which solution has more HN concentration and which solution has more OHN concentration. And if the number of HN concentration and OHN concentration are equal, it means that the solution is neutral. Okay. Now, one question that is very important, which many times asked in the board examination, is what is the effect of dilution on the concentration of HNs? The question is, what is the effect of HNs on the concentration of solution? And the answer is, the concentration of HNs after dilution decreases. The concentration of HNs after adding water. Dilution means addition of water. What does dilution means? That dilution means that addition of water. When we are adding water into the compound, into the solution, the concentration of HNs always decreases. Why? Because the number of HNs per unit volume decreases on dilution. So this is another important question which asked many times in the board exam. So student, this is our topic pH. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the preparation of various chemical compound. Thank you.